till you put them all together. So that in itself was like just so easy to just go with it. You had the idea about the very long island. I knew I wanted that, but he was super unsure
Yeah,
about it.
I didn't see it.
No, I know we have a couple of little things with Pablo that you're like, not sure about it, but then like, okay, I give up.
It takes me a while.
Yeah. Hello, Kelly and Pablo. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for letting us into this beautiful, beautiful home. I really absolutely thoroughly enjoyed working with you. So let's start is like, how did you find out about me? It was very interesting, I have to say.
It was. You want me to take?
Yeah.
So basically, we have not done this before. We didn't know where to begin. So we actually went to chat, asked a couple of questions. We wanted to focus someone local, top tier. So we came up with three names. And I think we met you second. And we knew right away that the top tier really meant you.
All right.
So that's how we got started with the process.
Thank you. Why, what wowed you, or what was in our conversation that kind of sealed the deal for you guys?
Well, again, I think you coming out, first of all, your personality and your style really fit with what we were looking for. I think coming out here, giving us your first impressions was helpful. And
I like that. I thought I had an idea in mind, didn't know if it would work, and you are already saying the ideas without me having to bring them up to you first. And it was like the minute that you had the idea about the very long island, I knew I wanted that, but he was super unsure about it.
I didn't see it until I saw it.
And then when you were drawing, when you did the rendition of it, that was it. He was sold also. And now just look at it. Everyone walks in and they're in awe.
Yeah, no, I know we have a couple of little things with Pablo that you're like, not sure about it, but then like, okay, I give up.
It takes me a while.
Yeah.
I get there eventually.
Was there anything that was totally out of what you thought is possible other than the island that I was like, okay, let's do this, that really stuck in mind?
Well, moving the sink over by the window, I would have never thought to do that. And the minute you said it, it's like, oh my God, yes, that is what I want. And then also, if you look at the before and after pictures of that kitchen, to even think I could have a pantry that size, wow.
Yeah, I think the color scheme, we were kind of unsure. We wanted a multicolor approach, but we weren't really sure how to best tackle that. And I think this came out perfectly. Yeah.
And then also it was your color idea for the floors that helped us figure out what to do throughout the rest of the house.
Yeah.
So it was you just laid the groundwork for the foundations of all the remodeling colors.
Thank you. Yeah, it makes sense because, everything is such an open, especially after we opened the kitchen, it became even more of an open floor. So it made sure that we needed to make sure that everything is going to be cohesive. So whatever you do for the rest of the house really needs to flow together. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So you enjoyed the design process and it was easy and...
So easy. It's
Very
like
easy.
When you watch all of those HGTV shows and they show you the pictures, I always thought, wow, that would be so great. And when you showed them, it was just perfect. And then going into your studio, just you showing us the samples before and the colors coming together, because I wasn't, I wouldn't have pictured, especially like the wallpaper on the bar or the green till you put them all together. So that in itself was like just so easy to just go with it.
Yeah, because we did go back and forth about colors for the bar, but this is part of the process, right? Like I offer something that I think that I know will work, but you guys at the end of the day are going to live here and need to enjoy it, right? I'm going home. So, you know, I always joke that my husband and my dog is the one that needs to suffer through my, you know, my style, but you really, really need to enjoy it. And I know you were a little bit, you know, apprehensive about the green, and we went through a couple of like different options, but now you absolutely love it.
I love it. It is just the extra little color pop we needed.
Yep.
Yeah. So, what is your favorite part of the project?
My island.
Your island.
Yeah, the island.
The island. That was from what the kitchen was. And this being a townhouse, I did not think I could have the entertaining kitchen that you gave us. So, wow.
Thank you.
You are just so easy
Yes.
to work with. Any little thing. So we used our contractor, but every little thing you were here to help. Came up with solutions to a couple of roadblocks that we may have run into, and
Yeah, super responsive.
yes,
Yeah, super responsive.
yes.
Thank
So,
you. Thank you so
highly,
much.
highly recommend.
Thank you. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I know I say it on every project, but I really do love my clients and love my project. They are like my babies. Each of them have a little bit of my soul and my creativity staying here with them, and I hope they get to enjoy it for years to come. So if you're ready to transform your own space, please message us on our website at AKG Design Studio. Very easy to find us. So until next time, cheers.